Hello everyone and welcome to the Faroe Islands. It's looking lovely and snowy, so we're going to drive straight from the airport to try to make the most of these wonderful winter conditions. I love this little group of typical Faroese buildings quite close to the airport. And then on to Gasadalur, a stunning location with a village situated above a very dramatic waterfall. All too soon the sun had set and it was time to head over to our hotel. The following day the temperatures had risen somewhat and it was grey and wet. Even so, the village of Saksun still looks beautiful despite the gloom. And the afternoon ended with some sunlight. The following morning we were up early for a stunning sunrise in the north of the islands. It's relatively easy to access this spot, which lies just above the village of Furingur. The light just got better and better. And then on from just a short drive from Furingur to the village of Jekf. It was incredibly quiet with hardly anyone around. The following morning we were back where we'd started on our first day. All the snow had gone, but there were some very inquisitive chickens. and then on for a little wander around the village of Bur. We then made the short boat ride out to the sea arch at Drangarnir. In this area, and just offshore, you have the island of Tindalmuir, very dramatic and reminiscent of something from Game of Thrones. This is an amazing spot looking out towards the sea arch, but it is quite slippy and a little tricky to get to. You also need to be careful with sea swells. My tripod was swept away shortly after I shot this still. As the afternoon wore on, the light softened and became rather beautiful. The following morning was another beautiful day, so we made the roughly 45-minute walk out to the floating lake at Sorvagsvatn. The coastline around here is really rugged and very dramatic. From there we headed over to Gasadalur, where there was some very dramatic light. The following day, we drove to the north of the islands, to the multi-tiered waterfall Fossa. As the waterfall flows into the fjord, I noticed some nearby fishing nets. These look quite amazing from above with the drone, and the detail that you can see with the fish jumping is incredible. From Fossa, it's just a short drive further on to the incredible beach at Tjornvik. The following morning we paid a visit to some more dramatic coastline in the north of the islands. Our final location was the charming village of Elduvik. It's a lovely little village just for a slow wander around. Many thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video.